I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Pikachu. And our craft for this week is very simple. So you are just going to have a little wooden disc in your craft packet along with a picture of Pikachu that is just blank, so you get to color it, and a ribbon. And that's it. It's gonna be super simple. So all we have to do is just color our Pikachu however we want and then cut him out. You can decorate your little wooden disc however you want to. I just colored mine with a solid color. But if you want to actually like put a background on it, or you could make him jumping around a Christmas tree or something like that, or whatever you want. And then all you have to do is glue your Pikachu onto your disc. And then we're just gonna tape or glue the ribbon to the back of your little wooden disc. So put both ends of the ribbon down on the back. I crossed them over, but you don't even have to do that. And just tape them on or glue them on so that you have a little loop at the top so that you can hang it up. And that is our Pokemon craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on the first week of January because we will be taking a 2-week break to get ready for spring programs. So have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you in January. Bye.